The infrared CO/CO2 analyzer is a portable, pump sampling device for detecting hazardous gases. It delivers precise readings, resolution, 0.1 ppm CO, 0.0001% CO2, with fast response, CO, less than or equal to 45 s, CO2, less than or equal to 60 s. The analyzer has a 7-inch Android touchscreen, internal heating for cold environments, and dual zero-calibration modes, nitrogen/catalytic. Data logging, greater than 100,000 entries, USB/Wi-Fi export, and a thermal printer enhance usability. Compliant with international standards, it operates in 0 to 95% humidity and supports ppm/mg/m superscript 3/% unit conversion. Ideal for laboratories, industrial sites, and environmental agencies requiring reliable gas detection.